I thank everyone that are coming out to begin to rediscover themselves, especially the Igbo nation. We are the first. We will continue to promote our culture and our position in the world. Aibo mo Chukwu. Chukwu gozla Aibo Ndigbo, the ancients. We are the first. We are originally created. We are not artificial or second class to anybody. This is what this video is all about. For you, every Igbo man should watch and share this video to every Igbo man. Make sure that this video gets to every Igbo man on earth. Send and watch and spread the video. I will not say any other thing, but everything that you need to be or to know about yourself